you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a video on Canva with pictures. Once you're signed into Canva, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And with Canva, you have numerous options. For example, you could simply tap on the search bar right here and you could type in birthday video or wedding invitation video, and after doing that you'll be provided with numerous templates that you can use. So for example, if you're creating a wedding invitation video, by simply selecting any one of these templates, all you'll need to do is drag and place the photos that you would like to use, and you can see an example of one right here. But let's say you would like to create a video from scratch using your photos. All you'll need to do is select videos right below the search bar. Then from here you can select what type of video you want to create or what is the purpose of your video. For example, you can choose to create a TikTok video, Instagram reel, a Facebook video, or just a general mobile video. For this example, I'm going to be selecting a 1920 by 1080p X video. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Uploads. After selecting Uploads, you can tap on Upload Files and you can upload the photos that you're going to be using. After you have done that, you can choose your background, so you're going to tap on Elements and you can choose the background color by tapping on the color box right here, or you can choose to use a photo or video as your background. So let's say for example I were to tap on Elements right here, and then I could tap on the search bar and I'm going to type in beach, as I'm going to be using a beach video as my background. Then I would select videos. Then from there you can select the video that you would like to use. Let's say this one. You can drag and place it, then tap on the three dots and tap on set video as background. Now that I have a video background, as you can see right here, all I would need to do now is add my photo. So let's say for example I want to add a photo, so I'll tap on Uploads. After tapping on Uploads, I could select the photo that I would like to use. So let's say for example's sake I would like to use this photo. I could simply drag and place the photo. Once you have done that, you can adjust the size and placement of the photo, so you can pull it right there on the edges to make the photo larger, or you could make it smaller depending on your preference. Now after doing this, you can see that it gives it some form of effect, as you can see in the background, and you can also add animation or effects to your photos. All you would need to do is select the photo. Then from the top navigation bar, you're going to tap on Animate. After selecting Animate, you can choose the animation that you want. So you can see right there, you can choose the animation. So I could select this animation. After doing that, normally I would choose to add text. So you could add a text right here. I'll simply tap on Add Text. And from there you could type out whatever you want on this text right here, or you could simply pull the text box to the side. After adding your text, you could choose to add effects also to the text box. For example, you could tap on effects right there, and if it's a case that you would like to add background color, you could do that. Then you could change the color of the background, as you can see right here, by tapping on the color box. Another thing that you could also choose to do is by scrolling down, if you would like the text to be curved. For example, let's say we would like it to be curved right there. You could tap on curve in the bottom left hand corner and you can see that the text is now curved, and you could type in whatever you want right there. For example, happy birthday or so on right there. You can also add animations to this text by simply tapping on Animate in the top right hand corner. Then from there you can choose the animation that you want, so you can select any one of these animations, as you can see right there. Now after doing that, we can tap on Add Page and we are going to be adding a second page. But with this second page, instead of us dragging and placing a photo, I'm going to be using a template. Now to get access to these templates, all you would need to do is tap on Design in the top left hand corner. After you have done that, you can tap right on the search bar where you see search video templates. And for example, let's say we were to select slideshow videos, or you could type in slideshow videos. From there, you can select photo slideshows, and you can see the different templates that you can choose from. So you can select any one of these templates to your liking. So for example sake, let's say this one, and then let's say I were to tap on apply. You can see how it looks right there, and you'll simply drag and place your photo. So for example, I could drag and place this photo right there, and then you can edit the text real quick. So if you wanted to use a template, that is how you could do it. Another thing that you could also do is you could place frames so that you'll be able to add multiple photos on one page. By tapping on elements from the top left hand corner, from there you could type in frame in the search bar. After you have typed in frame, all you'll need to do now, where you see frames, you're going to tap on see all. And from there you can scroll down and you can select any frame that you would like to use. So you can see the different options right here. There are numerous options that you can use. So for example, let's say I would like to use this frame. I could simply tap on it, and I'm going to drag and place it in the top left. Then I'm going to be using this one in the bottom right hand corner, and I'm going to be using a circle frame in the middle. After doing that, all I would need to do is tap on uploads. Then from there you can drag and place the images in the frame, as you can see right there. Now after you have done that, you could choose to change the background color. So you can tap on the page, then tap on the background color in the top left hand corner. And from here you could choose a background color, as you can see right there. You can choose any one of these colors. After you're done doing that, you can now tap on play, and you can play your video and you can see how it looks. And if you would like to add audio or music to your video, all you'll need to do is drag the marker to the front of the video. Then from there you could tap on uploads, select audio, and you could tap on upload files and you could upload your audio track. Or you could choose to tap on record yourself and you could record a voiceover. Or you can use copyright-free audio that is provided by Canva by simply tapping on elements once more. From here you could tap on music. After tapping on music, you will see audio, and you can tap on see all, and you can scroll down. Keep in mind that the audio tracks that says pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber to use it. But you can normally find numerous audio tracks that you can use for completely free. All you'll need to do is simply type in the type of audio track that you want. So for example, if I were to type in birthday music just for example's sake, after doing that, I'll tap on see all. Then all you need to do now is simply drag and drop the track that you want to use, as you can see right there. And you can also put a transition in between each page by simply hovering between the pages. You can tap right where you see add transition, and you can tap right there and you can add any one of these transitions, as you can see right here. So let's say for example I were to add that transition, then I can tap between this page also, and I could add another transition right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, tap on download, then tap on download, and you'll be able to download it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.